All right, for this exercise, what we're really looking at is improving the ability to move around in bed and get out of bed, improve the flexibility of your spine and your back. So this is a rolling exercise. You're going to set up a couple of targets so you know where you want to reach. You're going to reach one hand across. So we'll start with the right hand, reach across and roll yourself over. You're reaching up and over to the side, and then you're going to roll back and reach up and over to the other side with the other hand. It helps to move your head and reach your arm and your hip to that direction. Let's do a couple more. Reach the right hand across and then reach the left hand across. Another alternative for this one is to do it with your legs bent. So now you can reach across and also bring your legs across. And you want to reach so far that your whole back, both of your shoulder blades come off of the floor. And you can do this on the floor or a mat, a really nice way to get started in the morning if you're having trouble getting out of bed. This helps get you warmed up and makes getting out of bed a whole lot easier.